Hey guys, it's Frank from Earth Motorcars, and look at this amazing 1971 Buick Grand Sport Stage 1 car. This is about as cool as it gets. If you look at the caliber of this car and the quality of this car, first of all, this is a pretty little cool thing right here. This was an award winner, original class, at Good Guys back in 2024. So it's a pretty fresh restoration on it. The caliber of the paint, this is a lime green metallic paint, which was a factory color. And you can see the pearl in the finish as well. So if you really look at it, it's changing colors as you walk through it. The wheels, these are your mag wheels that were pretty original to the car as well. Obviously the BF Goodrich or aftermarket right there. You got the GS Stage 1. The Stage 1 was the performance version of the Buick Grand Sport. So when you see the Stage 1, you know it's the higher horsepower. It's a 455. I believe it's around 400 horsepower, but we'll get to that in a minute as well too. Look at the body lines, the caliber of the car. All the chrome has been redone on this car. The convertible top has been replaced. It's white. It is absolutely gorgeous. It matches the beautiful interior. But if you look at, when I'm looking at a car, more importantly than anything else, I'm looking at the lines. I'm looking at the fitment of the panels. And then that normally tells you the level of restorations. They even went so far as to get the rubber stoppers right up here for your bumper. This would be for an impact, and this would protect the body of the car if there was an impact, God forbid, on this car. If you look at all the bright work in back there too, dual exhaust, the bumpers are absolutely like brand new. Taillights are original. This is a highly, highly original example of a fully restored car. And I'll tell you, you're not gonna see a lot of them. A lot of people go with the Chevy brand. They don't really go to the Buick brand, but the people that really know their cars, they're looking at these Stage 1 cars. These things are amazing cars. 902 of them made in total production back in 71, and this is probably one of the finest ones. Let's check out underneath the hood here what powers this baby. Voila. Classic 455 Stage 1. One of the biggest ways you can tell, not only is the air cleaner and everything labeled, but you can see the factory intakes, which took it into the back of the hood. So if you look underneath here, the hood actually is functioning for air. The more air you ram, which is a ram air car, the more air that goes in there, the more horsepower this thing creates. A couple of really cool things about this car as well. This is a power brake car, and you can see everything is brand new back there. Power steering car, and what I like more than anything, and it's pretty unusual in convertibles, factory air conditioning, which actually functions perfectly. So this is what you would expect, a highly original car that's been fully restored. There's a little detail that I want to show you guys that really makes a big difference as well. Everybody's really focused on doing the engine, but you normally don't see the insulation that was done here. And the insulation was two purposes. Number one, for noise. Number two, for heat. So when they go through this kind of detail of matching the correct insulation on it, it just tells me whoever restored this car did a fantastic job. Let's go check out the interior of this bad boy. Solid. I love solid. You open the door of this thing, and this to me is probably one of the most stunning interiors you can find. This is a pearl white interior. So why do they call it pearl? Well, if you're looking at the seats, you can see pearlescent in the seats as well too. There's like a little bit of a shimmer to it, and this is correct as a Buick in 1971 should be. Power window car, which is really neat to see, right? And this car, believe it or not, I mean, that's something you don't see very often. It's got tilt steering wheel. Console, bucket seats. This is about as good as it gets. And guys, I'm telling you, don't miss the opportunity to buy one of the finest GS's on the market for sale. Hey guys, we're gonna take this beautiful 71 Buick GS Stage 1 car for a little ride. It's a pretty original type car, and the coolest thing on it is that hood tack right there that you see. It's an actual functioning hood tack. A lot of these cars, you don't see that. The drivability of this thing is just amazing. The ride quality is probably even better. It's not bouncing around. It's not all over the streets. I'm really a classic guy, but I like resto mods better than original cars. And this is probably one of the nicest driving original cars. Really cool car. It's really neat to see too. The clock is working, the gauges are working, the fuel tank's working. Just a really neat car. The color's awesome. But man, I just cannot believe no squeaks, no rattles. The caliber of this car is probably best of the best. I mean, this is just a great driving car. Holy crap. So guys, when I was mentioning, look at the hood tack. Go ahead and rev it a little bit. Look at the hood tack. It's actually hooked up and working. The level of this restoration cannot be beat. You cannot build this car for anywhere near our asking price. Come on by. Don't lose the opportunity. All right, guys.